Okay, I'm going for a little walk in the nature preserve. Sun's too bright. Something out here smells like mint. Try not to get my shadow in it. Wish me luck. So, I did the last clip. I got my shadow in it. And yeah, you don't need to see a shadow. So, whew, bright sun on this side. So there's no bright sun hitting, but it's now dark. Let's see if I can back up a little bit. Nope. It's not gonna show. I gotta see it. It shows darker in the camera. That dog over there. My keys are jingling, so got enough keychains on them. Very beautiful out here, but if I go too far, I see the sun is going to take from it. And without, just like the last one, to see if I can zoom out. Can't see too much. Okay, maybe you can see a little bit better over this side. I really want to go fishing. I haven't been fishing in I don't know how many years. I used to love it. Yeah, I just went for a little walk in the nature preserve, and I don't know what it is that my legs start hurting just walking around this building. Okay, coming back out. My, especially my, what is it, calf muscles will hurt. And then I want to keep going, but my calf muscles hurt. Yeah, I'm really afraid that it was too much of low carb dieting. Now, I'm not a healthcare professional, so I can't say for certain, but I really think it started when I started really low carbing. It started eating at my muscle. So that's just my opinion. I could be wrong, but yeah. So building back muscle, yeah, it's not going to be easy. It seems like I've been trying. Let's see, this is first part of August. I started last year in January. So, yeah, I had some breaks when I fell on the concrete on the sidewalk and busted both my knees. That was a little over a year ago, a year and 2 weeks ago, something like that. Yeah, so anyway, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up, and I'll talk to you on another video. Oh, if you want to subscribe to this channel, click the circle. If you're watching this video on this channel, click one of the rectangles. Like, subscribe, comment, and share if you would. I'll talk to you on another video. Bye.